Welcome back. Today, we're diving into chic home decor ideas that can instantly elevate your interior design game. If you're looking to create a stylish and cozy space that feels curated, modern, and effortlessly elegant, you're in the right place. So, grab a notebook, and let's explore these timeless decor tips. Define your style. The first step to achieving a chic interior is to define your style. Are you drawn to modern minimalism, bohemian charm, or classic elegance? Knowing what resonates with you can guide your design choices and create a cohesive look. This also prevents overbuying and helps you stay focused on items that fit your vision. Select a color palette. A well-thought-out color palette is essential for any chic space. Neutral tones like whites, beiges, and grays serve as a perfect backdrop, allowing bolder accents and textures to stand out. You can add a pop of color through accessories, art pieces, or even accent walls for a modern twist. Statement pieces make a difference. Investing in a few statement pieces, like a beautiful sofa, an eye-catching coffee table, or an oversized mirror, creates focal points in your space. These items instantly add a touch of sophistication and give your room a curated feel. Remember, quality over quantity is the key here. Embrace textures and layers. Chic interiors thrive on textures and layers. Incorporate elements like velvet cushions, a plush rug, or woven baskets to add depth and interest. You can layer materials like wood, metal, and glass to create contrast and visual balance. A chic space always has that inviting, tactile element. Lighting that sets the mood. Lighting plays a huge role in achieving a chic ambience. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a cozy and layered feel. Stylish pendant lights, sleek floor lamps, and even candles can transform your space and add a touch of luxury. Art and decor for personality. Adding art and decor items that reflect your personality brings life to any space. Go for unique pieces, whether it's a vintage art print, a modern sculpture, or a set of coffee table books. Displaying items that resonate with you makes the room feel authentic and inviting. Greenery for a fresh touch. No chic home is complete without a hint of greenery. Indoor plants like fiddle leaf figs, snake plants, or even a small bouquet of flowers can breathe freshness into your decor. Plants not only improve air quality but also add a soft, organic element that makes the space feel lively. Declutter for a polished look. Finally, chic interiors thrive on simplicity and organization. Keep surfaces clear and only display items that add to the room's aesthetic. Utilize storage solutions to hide away clutter and maintain that polished, put-together look. Thanks for watching. I hope these chic home decor ideas inspire you to create a stylish and inviting space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which decor tips you'll try first. See you in the next video for more interior design inspiration.